Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here in Jacksonville, Florida. And guys, I am ready for another video. Here we go. So, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, if you are a home business entrepreneur, you like network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, things of that nature, and you want to find things to help you grow in your business, to help you earn some cash in your business and profits, then you've come to the right channel. On this channel, I deal with mindset. I deal with tools. I deal with tips to help you grow your business. So today, I entitled this video, How to Have a Business Breakthrough in 5 Days with John Assaraf of Neurogym. So if you've been watching my channel for a while or some years, you know that I am a big, huge fan of John Assaraf, Neurogym, his brain retraining, a program to help you get a mindset of success, millionaire mindset. I've been a client of his for over 2 years now, but probably more than 2 or 3 years now. But it has been very influential for me in growing my mindset, growing my millionaire mindset, growing my success mindset, helping me to create different things in my life to get results in my business. So I'm a big customer of his. So John actually has this business breakthrough challenge. It's a 5-day challenge where he shows you how to go to profit if you haven't earned anything in profits in your business. 5 days. It takes you step by step by step. Now, I generally share the screen on this, but I wanted you to take a look at this yourself. So I will leave a link at the bottom. If you know John, if you watched the movie The Secret, you know John from the movie The Secret. He's earned millions of dollars, probably took billions of dollars in sales of some companies. So he's going to share with you step by step over 5 days on how you can grow your business, no matter what type of business that you're in. So that's my spiel, guys, for today. I think it's probably been a while since my last video, so I did want to come and give you some kind of tool, tips to help you grow in your business for 2021 and beyond. God bless you guys. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you guys in the next video, and the link is at the bottom for the Breakthrough Business Challenge with John Assaraf to help you go from, if you're at zero, to profits in your business in 5 days. Peace, guys. I'll see you in the next video.